Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the font size in your Outlook 365 message list. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to outlook.cloud.microsoft. This will take you directly to the Microsoft Outlook web app where you can access all your emails and settings online. Once the page loads, log in using your Microsoft credentials if you haven't already. After logging in, wait a moment for your inbox to fully load and display all your messages. Now that your email interface is ready, let's adjust the font size of your message list. Direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon sitting there, which serves as your gateway to all Outlook settings. Go ahead and click on this gear icon to open your settings window. This is where you can customize various aspects of your Outlook experience to better suit your needs and preferences. Once the settings window appears, you'll see several tabs listed on the left side of the screen. These tabs organize different categories of settings to make navigation easier. Click on the Mail tab to access all email-related configurations. This tab contains everything from reading preferences to layout options that control how your inbox looks and functions. Within the Mail settings, look for the Layout section. This is where Outlook lets you customize the visual appearance of your message list. You'll find an option labeled Text Size and Spacing, which directly controls how large or small the text appears in your message list. Click on this option to reveal the available size choices. Here you'll see 3 font size options to choose from: small, medium, and large. Each option offers a different level of readability, so consider which size works best for your screen and eyesight. Small is ideal if you prefer seeing more messages at once, medium provides a balanced view, and large makes text easier to read if you're working on a bigger display or prefer larger fonts. Simply select the size that suits your preference by clicking on it. After selecting your preferred font size, don't forget to save your changes. Scroll down to the bottom right part of the settings window and click the Save button. This ensures that your new text size preference is applied immediately to your message list. You might notice the page refreshing briefly as Outlook applies your new settings. And that's it! You've successfully adjusted the font size in your Outlook 365 message list to make your emails easier to read. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.